Welcome to Shenanigans. Hi, welcome to Shenanigans Season 2.
And this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing!
Today's smoothie is
Daria, today we're gonna make something called sweetie pie.
sweetie pie. Sweetie pie.
And the ingredients are
Almond milk, apple, banana. Ice cream. Cinnamon ice.
Do you want to go ahead and start?
Yeah.
Okay, what should we put in first?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, yes.
Yeah. Can I try it?
No, no trying it. Let's put it into the...
Then I'll try it.
Later you can try it.
No,
Come on.
smoothie.
In the spoon. Daria, take a big spoon. Look. Here. Do this one.
What's that for me?
Okay. Careful.
That's for me to eat.
Okay. Okay, Daria, should we go ahead and put in the apples? Bananas?
Ice.
Ice? But, okay. You can put in ice. Here. Pour in the ice. Come on. Okay, Daria, should we put in the apples? Come on.
I'm doing it all
Okay, Daria, should we put in the bananas?
No, the milk.
The milk? Okay. Here. This one is heavy, so you have to hold Mama's hand. Okay, Daria, and last, the bananas. You want to put in the bananas? Okay, Daria, should we go ahead and put this in the blender?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Daria, now that I've poured your glass, I'm gonna pour myself a glass, okay? Look. Look! We have the same. And I have...
I'll do it, I'll do it.
Okay. Little apple. Isn't it cute? Let's put in some cinnamon powder.
And this is
Whoops.
very good.
What straws shall we put in? The pink ones?
No, different one.
The pink ones are cute. There.
Oh,
Okay, Daria, you ready to try this?
yeah.
Cheers. So this one tastes like sort of like an apple pie with vanilla ice cream kind of all rolled into one. It's really yummy and it has that punch of apple flavor in it. And of course, if you want to add in more apple because you love apples so much, you can go ahead and do that so that it pack in much more flavor. Daria, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I like it too. And then of course, if you like cinnamon, you can throw in more cinnamon and add a dash of honey if you want to complete this. All right, Daria, that's all the time we have for today. Please do send in your recipes if you have any that you want us to try out, and do subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Please subscribe.
Oh, this has got to be one of the best smoothies I've ever had. It tastes like, I mean, there's a reason why biscuits and cocoa powder and ice cream all go together so well. It's kind of like having a vanilla wafer, but in a glass.